I think is the hardest for any firm that's going to end up coming on. Number one, I think we might have been the first or one of the first clients that you guys had worked with in this type of relationship or capacity. So it was somewhat new on both sides. You guys had experience and you were essentially doing your regular onboarding that you do for your own internal clients. It was just with another accountant and we were obtaining all of that onboarding information. We had created a lot of lists to make things better and just gather that documentation and make sure all the I's were dotted and T's were crossed. I don't know. In a perfect world, I would say we'd begin payroll processing in January, but then that doesn't work because then you have year-end reporting that needs to get done. And then I think internally, it's figuring out who's going to be the backup in the office. So I mentioned that we have one payroll specialist where it is their full-time role and position within the team. The hard part is when that person goes on vacation, who's the person that does processing or reviewing, follow up with clients? It becomes a little bit difficult anytime there's a team of one. So we figured out a little bit later on, oh, hey, we need a backup person because we just got a time off request from our one payroll specialist. We need to get someone filled into that role and get them trained and get them to understand the platform. And it took us a little while to figure that part out internally. So maybe starting with two people at the same time going through the system and just they have to take it as if both of them are going to be in the role and they have to get fully trained up on it. It's just one person's going to continue on full time with it and the other person will be the fill in or a couple of projects here or there each week just to make sure they keep their skills sharp.